You all, we continue our discussion on nationalism in India. Gandhiji started the Satyagraha against the Rowlatt Act, but he felt that the need to launch a broad based movement. For this, it is necessary to make a unitary action. It needs the Hindus and Muslims close together in order to fight against the colonial rule. So it was on that time the World War was ended. The Ottoman Empire defeated in this World War. So it is believed that the country is going to face a harsh peace treaty. So the Ottoman Turkey is believed to be the spiritual head of these Muslims. So in order to protect the temporal goods of this country, here in India, the Muslims started a committee that is known in 1919, that is known as Khilafat Committee. So the prominent figures of this committee is Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. They approached Mahatma Gandhi to make a unitary actions against this colonial rule. So in 1920 September, the Calcutta session of Congress took place. So Mahatma Gandhi tried to convince the prominent leaders the need of the cooperation, the movement with the Khilafat Committee. Why non-cooperation? In the book Hind Swaraj, Gandhiji makes this opinion that British rule in India was established with the cooperation of Indians. So the cooperation of Indians made to root their rule here in India. So if Indians refused to cooperate, British rule in India would collapse within a year. Swaraj would come. So that is the basis of this non-cooperation. Then how could non-cooperation become a movement? Gandhiji proposed that the movement should unfold in stages. For this, it should begin with the surrender of titles. So titles that the government awarded for the persons has to be surrendered. The boycott, it is the boycott of civil service, army, police, courts and legislative councils, schools and foreign goods. It also is a part of this non-cooperation movement. So in 1920, Mahatma Gandhi and Shaukat Ali mobilized popular support of this movement. The movement could not make a step because it was the time that the leaders found the possibility of the problems. If they boycott the council election scheduled for November 1920, that may lead to violence. So the fear about the violence lead to stop these actions. But it is in 1920 December Nagpur Congress session, the non-cooperation program was adopted.